Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about SoFi Technologies, ticker name SoFi. In this video, we're going to be analyzing two articles, to where the first one is titled, Is SoFi stock a buy? And then after that, we're going to be analyzing an article titled, Here's why SoFi stock could be a big winner in 2024. So for more videos just like this one, go ahead and annihilate that like button right now. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents per month because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. And with that being said, let's get right into today's stories. SoFi Technologies, as you already probably know, is a fintech company or a financial technology company that essentially operates as a digital bank. SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI, ticker name SoFi, was a huge winner last year, where their share price surged by around 116%. Despite this amazing performance, their share price still remains 68% below their peak prices. Now, I do want to comment that when SoFi Technologies was at their peak price value, I do think the company was way overvalued, and that means that decline in their subsequent price was warranted. But now, it begs the question, is right now a good time to buy this company? The latest developments of this company would encourage us to say yes. The company has grown its revenue and its membership over the last few years, and those are two things that we really want to see from this company. We want to see member acquisition, revenues increasing, and profitability. And I think we're going to see all three of those things with great momentum and veracity during 2024. SoFi Technologies prioritizes superior customer experience, customer service, and they propel themselves ahead of other fintech companies. Even during a period of economic headwinds, particularly higher interest rates, or during a time when other traditional banks were going out of business, SoFi continued to expand at a brisk pace. The company also saw great momentum due to a catalyst, which was the student loan moratorium ending. This means that a lot of demand will flood into SoFi's student loan refinancing business, which is great for the stock and company. One of the things that draws me to SoFi Technologies is their resiliency and stability. When the US economy was rough and traditional banks were going out of business and interest rates were increasing, this company still performed very well. So now we have to think, how well can this company perform when the economic outlook is positive? Because if they can perform very well in a negative macroeconomic environment, just think how well they could do in a positive macroeconomic environment. So even if the US economy does suffer and even go into a recession in 2024, I am not scared for SoFi Technologies. The regional banking fiasco of early 2023 forced customers out of traditional banks to where they were trying to find an institution that they can trust. And trust is something that you can't buy, and it seems that SoFi was a winner in this regard because they earned people's trust. Right now, the company trades for around $7.89, while very bearish analysts believe it could fall between $3 to $5, and other analysts believe it could surge up to around $12 per share. Another thing I like about this company is that they are on a path toward profitability, and I think they will achieve profitability literally right now. Many of their fintech peers are not profitable, so this is going to separate SoFi Technologies from other types of competition in regards to starter traditional banks, fintech companies, or any other financial institution, particularly institutions that are not profitable. And according to their CEO, he anticipates SoFi to generate net income based on a generally accepted accounting principles basis in the fourth quarter, meaning that we are going to get fourth quarter results literally in just a few days. They are going to report this on January 29th. So put that on your calendar because this could act as a phenomenal catalyst. This is going to be a huge milestone for the company, which should increase their share price at least temporarily. Now, what's more impressive to me is that SoFi will hit positivity during a time which was unfavorable. The macroeconomic backdrop, like we said, was unfavorable during this time. So now that the macroeconomic backdrop has become more positive, the future growth of this company should be even more aggressive. But before you decide to buy any stock, investors should look at the current valuation of the company to determine whether or not they are getting a good deal on this company. With all else being equal, a lower valuation is better because it increases the potential of future upside. That means that if you can buy a good stock cheaper than their current share price, that means their future share price, which hopefully will be larger and a greater number than what we bought it for, that is going to allow us to achieve more money. So if we buy a stock for $6 and it jumps to $12, we literally doubled our money. That's a 100% increase. But if we waited for the company to pull back to $4 and then invested, and then it surged to $12, we made way more money. Even as we speak, we see optimism and momentum for the stock building, approaching their earnings report. Their current price to sales ratio is just 3.9%, which still represents a discount compared to their historical average. That indicates that right now could be a good time to buy into this company. I personally am trying to buy into this company right now because I want to purchase them before they become profitable. After they become profitable, it's going to be harder to get this company at a cheap valuation, considering that their support levels will now be more fundamental to this company's overall future prospects. That's why investors who believe in the long-term growth story of this company should want to buy right now or at least before January 29th. Because as soon as this company demonstrates their ability to consistently generate net income, their share price is only going to be able to drop so low in the future. So why else could SoFi be a huge winner during the year of 2024? Well, let's talk about it. We've seen SoFi improve their overall deposits just in the third quarter, reaching around $15.7 billion. We also see prominent investors and investment celebrities such as Cathie Wood, who currently holds 1.7 million shares of SoFi, buy more of this company. This should give investors confidence in this company. Now, depending on what your opinion is about Cathie Wood, let's put that aside. The main point is that Cathie Wood buying into this company at least, or at minimum, gives this company exposure to other investors who may not have thought about investing into this company. And with that great publicity, this could increase their overall share price. That's why this author believes that buying this company below $10 is a great financial opportunity for investors. It lowers downside risk, and it also gives us enough growth opportunity to make pretty good profits. SoFi also wants to continuously roll out new banking services and financial solutions to add to their all-inclusive app. This will also draw more customers to their platform and take existing customers away from traditional banks or even other fintech companies. We also see multiple catalysts spread throughout the year of 2024 thanks to the Federal Reserve lowering overall interest rates, which should positively impact financial institutions. So although we don't know how high SoFi will actually go during the year of 2024, we do know that this company is currently projected to be successful. When we just look at their organic growth numbers, we see them rapidly increasing membership, growing their top of the line, becoming profitable. We see catalysts spread throughout the year of 2024, and overall, SoFi is stealing market share away from their competition. In general, this company seems to be doing pretty well, and I can't wait to see what they make of themselves throughout the year, so brace yourselves for January 29th, which is when their earnings report is released. Now, there is a problem here. If SoFi Technologies does not become profitable, this will be catastrophic for their share price, sending it below probably $3 to $5. But if you're optimistic about the fintech sector, then taking a look into SoFi could be very wise of you to do. But always remember to look into these companies. Go ahead and practice proper risk management by not over allocating yourself more than a 5% initial portfolio allocation. And with that being said, I wish you the best of luck. For more videos like this one, go ahead and annihilate that like button right now, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next YT video.